received these organic pumpkin seeds from Viva Naturals and they taste delicious. They're shelled, they're unroasted, they're unsalted, and they're also non-GMO and vegan too. They also provide 6 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and even iron too. Now what's really nice about these is you can eat them straight out of the bag or sprinkle on top of oatmeal or your salads or trail mix or granola too. You can even bake them into breads, muffins, and cakes too. I also like to put it on top of hummus. Perfect. And here's a close-up of what the bag looks like. And you get 2 pounds. Really lasts a long time. And what's really nice is that they are organic. And you can eat this straight from the bag, or you can season it or roast it too. And look how many you get. Like I said, it's 2 pounds. And here's a close-up of what they look like. And it's perfect to eat straight out of the bag, or you can sprinkle it on top of your salad. You can sprinkle it on top of your oatmeal. And what I really love is sprinkling it on top of the hummus. And if you want, you can even blend it into your smoothies or put it on top of yogurt too. And these taste delicious even on its own, straight out of the bag. Crunchy and tasty. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.